I'm bringing sexy back.
How we doing, guys? We're at the Wendy's. We're gonna try this 2-for-4 breakfast sandwich. We're gonna do the chicken and biscuit and the sausage, egg, and cheese 2-for-4. Let's go ahead and go get this ordered up. I'll be right back with you guys. Alrighty, guys, how we doing? I'm just getting into the drive-thru. Gonna get this ordered up. Let's go ahead and get ordering. Maybe.
Hi, how can I help you today?
Doing great. Can I get the 2-for-4 breakfast sandwiches, the honey chicken biscuit and sausage, egg, and cheese?
Sausage, egg, and cheese?
Yeah.
Alrighty, 1 second. Sausage, egg, and cheese, correct?
Alrighty, guys, we got the goods. Now let's go get it parked and get this checked out and see how it is. Be right back with you. Alrighty, guys, I'm back with you. Got some crazy hair going today. So, iconic, funniest part about this today, went and got this Wendy's. Crazy weather outside, snowing like crazy. I'm parked, not at Wendy's, I'm parked at the gym. It's crazy. We'll see how that goes. But yeah. All right, let's get this food review started. Don't know if we can see it. We got the chicken. Lighting's kind of bad. Let's get this thing opened up. Oh man, this thing be looking delicious. Just freshly made. Oh, big old piece of chicken. Got the honey butter on it. Oh, don't know if you can see it very well. Ooh, coated in it. Coated nice. Chicken all crisp and nice. Ooh, flaky bun. Ooh, leaking out the bottom of the diaper. Oh, man. Can't wait to get this try. Oh, we're going to try this delicious piece right here. Oh, let's try it. Mmm. Oh. Don't know if you can hear that. Super crunchy. Turn the heater off because it's freezing in here. Freezing outside. Temperature outside 32 degrees. It's like, what in the heck? Oh man, this thing is flaky crust, buttery deliciousness. Oh man. This thing. Oh man, this is every worth it. $2. This is a 2-for-4 special. Oh man. Oh. When I hold it up, I'm gonna try to get a comparison for the side-by-side of get something off the internet because this thing is delicious. And I don't think it's gonna look much better on the promo than it does right now because that thing was absolutely delicious. So get all this other stuff taken out, get this other sandwich ready to review. But on that one, we're gonna do 7.25. That was delicious. Man, one of the best fried chicken sweet sandwiches I've had with the biscuit. Oh man, look at this gorgeous creation. Cheese is melted. Oh man, can't even get the top bun off. The cheese is so melted on there. Oh. See if we can get this. Oh man, look at that cheese pull. Oh, that is nice. We got the egg. It's like a fried egg. Very nice. Sausage, looking nice. Oh man. Change this camera around, see if I can get a little bit better. Because the sun's killing me off of that thing. Oh man. Let's get this thing. So it doesn't have a biscuit like the other one, but it has this Super soft, pillowy bun. Oh, man. Ooh, there we go. There we go. Look at that. Oh, man. Egg and sausage. Oh, look at that. Oh, man. This bite right here be calling my name. Calling it. Oh, man. Ooh, man, one more bite. This thing be nice. Mmm. All right, Wendy's. I hear you. I hear you. Ooh, man. That sausage sandwich, man, I'm going to say, man, 6.75. That thing's giving McDonald's a run for his money. If that thing came on an English muffin, that thing would be blowing McDonald's out of the water. Guys, that is the best 2 for $4 I've spent. That was freaking amazing. People be walking by me at the gym like, what's this dude doing in his car talking to himself, eating? All right. Guys, would recommend both of these sandwiches. You guys have an awesome day, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.